This is our house. Well, technically, that's our house. This is practically our backyard. And we're flooding right now. It's over the road right there. You can't see it from here, but it's about, how deep is it?
Right now, it's the highest deep is about 5 foot deep.
It's about 5 foot deep. It's crazy.
And
It does this at least about once a year, maybe once every 2 years
And the
out
water's
here.
rising.
This is my dad. We're about to wade in this, so I just hope I don't drop my phone. And grip my phone tight. Walking through all these weeds and sticks. Good thing I got shoes on. Some other people up there. Hold on, I can zoom in. I guess not. Here's our dog Griffin. He loves it, swimming out here. Griffin! Griffin! Say hi. It's one of our driveways. Water's just pouring in here. Right now looks like it's stopped filling up, but there's another rain coming in and it might flood us out, so we might have to leave.
Till next time.
Well, that's it for now. Till next time. Maybe next year if we're still living here when it floods again.
Most likely not.
Most likely not. We'll see you later, folks. Bye.